The third strategy that I'm going to show you is using something called cross multiplication, or sometimes we call it the butterfly method. And this method is only to be used when comparing two fractions. You cannot use this strategy when you are ordering fractions. You can use it to check your work, or if you know where one is and not the other two, you could use it to check the other two. But you can only use it in two fractions at a time. You can't add a third fraction and cross multiply them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite these fractions. And I'm going to show you how to cross multiply. Your product for each is going to go up at the top. If it doesn't go up at the top, then it can affect you getting the correct answer. So I'm going to start by taking the denominator of my first fraction and multiplying it by my numerator of my second fraction. And that's where my multiplication symbol comes in. 3 times 5 is 15. I know that 3 5s, 5, 10, 15, will give me 15 as a product. Then I'm going to multiply the denominator of my second fraction with the numerator of my first fraction. And that's where you get that butterfly looking figure. And then 6 times 2, I know that skip counting by 2 6 times, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 will give me 12 as my product. Now, rather than comparing the two fractional amounts, you're going to compare the two products that you got. And I know that 12 is less than 15, which means the fraction 2/3 is less than 5/6. Whatever product is smaller above that fraction will be the smaller fraction. So again, I'm going to draw my less than sign. 2/3 is less than because that's the smaller part of my angle. 5/6 is greater than 2/3.